I am here in the middle of nowhere. There is no there, it is cold there, but I am safe and I am warm. Although it's hard, I know I gotta keep up. No time to late, to drift away. I find my space, I spend my time down the rabbit hole again. And as I fall, I can feel the pain. You can't tell me where to go, so I don't know, I just go with the flow. I go with the flow. I'm falling up, I'm falling down, from the sky and from the ground. Up above just like below, and I don't know where I should go. 'Cause I'm stuck in limbo. I'm out of love, but I guess I deserved it. Trying to hide, to pass you by. I'm getting down, I'm feeling fine. I'm light as air, no one can reach me. Lost in a dream, lost in between. Let's keep on flying, let's keep on breathing. I'm falling up, I'm falling down, from the sky and from the ground. Up above just like below, and I don't know where I should go. 'Cause I'm stuck in limbo. Oh.
to an end. My business partner one day decided he didn't want to do it anymore, and that was that. So I considered taking it further. I consulted a solicitor, but it was going to take a lot of money and several years. I didn't really want to go through the courts. So I got my fingers burnt, and that was that. So put it behind me, that's what I say, let's move forward. So yeah, let's talk about Project EVO. Although I was working on the first project that you saw in these videos, the idea was to develop a new kit that people could buy, and then they could build their own Lamborghini Countach replica, but it would be more of a retro mod. The idea was to develop a complete kit where all the engineering had been taken care of. So it was almost like a component car. You would buy the kit, put it together using Audi parts, such as an Audi V10 and a 6-speed manual gearbox. But that project is not going to happen now. So where do we go from here? Well, if you like my last videos, it detailed some of the work I did on the Countach chassis, and I was also working on another project. So I'm going to detail some new videos for you, which is basically going to show you how I turned an old Audi estate that I bought for £300 into my own supercar. Let's take a quick look. So if you're interested, I'm going to do a set of videos that will show how I got to this stage, and I will also go over the new donor car that I've got sitting on my driveway. So I'm going to do some more videos detailing this, and also the disassembly of the new donor car that I've got in the front. So I hope to see you on the next episode. Hopefully my camera work's going to be a little bit better than my engineering, so bear with me. I'm not too good with the camera, I'm much better with a welder. Anyway, if this is of interest to you, hopefully you'll follow me along, and see you in the next episode. Bye.